I lost over $10,000 trading Forex in my first year. It took me over 1.5 years to become profitable after making so many stupid mistakes. And I need you to learn from my mistakes. My mistakes are your lessons. So this video will help you become profitable 10 times faster than I did if you can apply whatever I'm gonna teach you in this video. To be honest, I would have become profitable so much faster from trading if I knew all this valuable information, and I'm gonna give it to you all for free in this video. So make sure you do not skip around. The first point is that you need to focus on one thing. When I say focus on one thing, what I mean is that you need to focus on one trading system, one trading strategy. I know people who trade complicated smart money concepts and they are profitable, they are making money. There's people who trade price action like me and are profitable. And then there are people who have a whole lot of shit on their charts. MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, all the indicators, all the weird ass stuff on their charts, and they still make money. Yes, you can do all this shit, you can have a shit ton of indicators on your chart, but the most important thing you have to do is to get the core fundamentals right. You need to be able to focus on the core fundamentals. You need to be able to focus on all these core fundamentals and getting them perfect, getting them solid before you have this extra confirmation. All these like extra shit, extra indicators, they just act as an additional confirmation for you. I used to try all these different shit like RSI crossover, Bollinger Bands 69, all this like weird ass stuff, Bermuda Triangle stuff. Stop doing all these shits, alright? You need to focus on one strategy. If you can't explain your entire trading strategy in 2 to 3 sentences, it is too fucking complicated and you need to simplify it. Example would be, I trade the break and retest strategy on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. That's it. That's one sentence, bruv. Albert Einstein said that if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. That's why the reason I can explain all these complicated price action trading concepts in a way that a 5-year-old can understand is because I fully grasp the concepts of all this price action trading. I know what I'm saying because I do them personally. I trade all these price action strategies that I'm showing you, and I'm very, very good at what I do, which is trading and coaching. I am very, very fucking good at what I do. That's why I can explain all these concepts. It's so simple, like even a complete newbie like you watching this can understand what I'm saying. So can you explain your trading strategy in 2 to 3 sentences? I really do not give a fuck about what strategy you use. Price action works, smart money concept works, indicators work. It's just that for me, I choose price action trading is because it works, it's simple, and it keeps my charts as clean as possible. So that's the reason why I choose price action trading and not smart money, because smart money is like, honestly, that shit is too complicated for my liking. That's the unfiltered truth, man. Like, I find it quite hard to understand all the chalk, BOS, all that shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like, I'm just dumb, alright? Like, I'm just dumb and I'm just gonna stick to what works for me, which is price action trading. And I don't like to have 10,000 indicators on my charts because it just like confuses me. Like, it just makes me more confused. How can I focus on what the candlesticks are doing, what my price action baby is doing when I have 10,000 boys indicators clouding my judgments? How? The second point is to control your risk. There is absolutely no point in making 100k on one trade if you're gonna lose everything on the next trade. You won't be making any money like that. Are you fucking dumb? A lot of us got into trading thinking that we're gonna become a millionaire in 1 month. In our first month, we're gonna buy a big mansion, get a nice car, right? But that's not the reality, isn't it? We came in with the mindset of making as much money as possible in the shortest amount of time, making 100k fast. Everybody wants it fast, but it's actually counterintuitive. Do you realize that like the more you try to make as much money fast, you actually end up losing even more money? You open a 1,000 trading account, you put $1,000 of your hard-earned money into your account, and then you are like, you know what, I'm gonna flip this thing to 10k today, alright? So I use a leverage that is way too big. 1:1,000 leverage, let's go baby. So you use a 1 lot size on your 1k account, price goes draw down 10, 100 pips, you're gone. Your entire account is gone. Your 1k, your hard-earned money is freaking gone. All because you were too focused on making as much money as possible in the shortest amount of time. you are trying to get rich quick from trading, you are rushing the process. Never ever rush the process. You need to slowly take your time to master trading. Trading is not easy. What's the point of building your account from $100 to $1,000 if you're gonna lose it all in the next trade? If you are okay with that, go ahead. But most people watching this, they are not okay with risking 100% of their entire account on each trade. Unless you are like flipping small accounts where you lose the money and you're just like, okay, you know what, I just lost $100. But if you are treating trading seriously, guess what? You're gonna be trading larger accounts. When I trade 50k or 100k accounts, I don't wanna be fucking risking my entire account on one trade. Why do that when I can just like grow my account slowly and steadily and securely and safely and make about 20k to 10k to 30k per month, right? Like, that's a lot of fucking money, bro. For me, I personally risk 1% to 2% of my capital on each trade because I'm trading larger accounts. But if you are trading smaller accounts and you are okay with risking like 5% of your capital on each trade, by all means, go ahead. The point here is you must control your risk and stick to your risk parameters. Once you set the rule that you're only going to be risking 2% on each trade, stick to it. Alright, don't be risking 3%. That will just steer you away from the right path of becoming a profitable trader because you are like losing your discipline. And fucking hell, if you are the type of guy who just buy and sell randomly with no idea on where to place your stop loss, where to place your take profit, you are gonna be so fucking fucked, man. Which brings me to the third point, which is get the right education. Look at doctors. Do you think they just watch a bunch of YouTube videos and then go and operate on their patients? No, the patients will be like, what the fuck are you doing? Where do you learn this from? Why are you using a kitchen knife on my liver? Like, for doctors to become good, they have to go through med school, right? And after med school, they still have to go practice in like a clinic or something. I don't know shit about doctors. And then after years of practicing and learning, then they can eventually become doctors, which make a good amount of money. And becoming like a professional trader is as hard as becoming a doctor. Look at like the salary for both of these jobs. They are pretty high. They are like one of the highest paying jobs in the world. And guess what? Becoming a trader, you can't become a professional trader just by watching a bunch of YouTube videos and reading a few free books. I was one of the people who think that, oh, I can study trading by myself by watching a bunch of YouTube videos and reading free books. And look where it got me. I wasted so much time in my first year because I did not have the proper guidance and accountability. There are literally so much free information and knowledge on my YouTube channel, and a lot of you are still not watching it because you are either fucking lazy or fucking arrogant. Oh, I already know how to draw support and resistance, so I don't have to watch this video the Trading Geek posted. No, you fucking don't! Your ego is literally preventing you from becoming a successful trader because you think that you know everything. No, you fucking don't. You don't fucking know everything. If you do know everything, you will be in the same level as me, but you are not. You are like somewhere right around here. Or some of you who are not watching my videos are all the way down here. But for people who are watching my videos till the end and learning and really applying whatever you just learned from my videos, you are getting closer to me. And I want to like fucking congratulate you, bro. Like, you are doing so well. You are getting closer and closer to me. And I'm fucking proud of you, bro, for watching my videos till the end and just starting your ass off. If you want to become successful, you have to emulate and think like successful traders. And I literally show you how I trade in all my videos, all my unfiltered trading episodes. By the way, you can join my Discord server if you want, link in the description. But basically, my plan for this entire Discord server is so that each brothers and sisters in the tribe can help each other to become profitable, can keep each other accountable, and you can get started with your trading journey. Link in the description right now. I strongly believe that you can become profitable in about 6 months. I'm not saying that you will definitely make millions from trading in 6 months. I mean that you can end up slightly break even if you get the right knowledge and you actually apply them well and you get everything structured from A to Z. Why does it take people so long to become profitable? Some took 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. One of my students who came into this mentorship program have been trading for 3 years and have not seen any consistent profits. And then once he got into this mentorship program, he just made about $11,000 yesterday and he made another 4K today. So he total made about 15k after joining this mentorship program on his FTMO account. And he realized that trading is actually ridiculously easy. It's not so fucking complicated. You just gotta be disciplined and have the right knowledge and apply the right knowledge. You don't have to be learning from me. I really don't give a fuck if you join my trading tribe or go buy some YouTuber's course. I don't care. You just need to get the right education because it is very difficult to do it on your own. And honestly, I just want the best for you. So if you find another YouTuber where you like watching his videos, go ahead and just go learn from him, alright? Just make sure you get the right education so that you can become profitable. Just to give you a quick summary, the first point is that you need to have a good trading strategy and you need to focus on it. Just focus on one trading strategy. It doesn't have to be my strategy or some other YouTuber strategy. It can be price action, smart money, indicators, whatever. Just focus on one thing and one thing only. The second point is to control your risk. You need to be able to control your risk so that you do not blow your account and you actually focus on growing your account slow and steadily, because that's the only chance where you can become profitable. And the risk parameters depends on your risk tolerance. You might be okay with risking 5% on each trade, but I'm following the general rule of risking 1% to 2% on each trade. So ultimately find out what works for you. And the third point is get the right education. Just like a doctor, you need to be able to get the right education so that you can actually become profitable. That's why I always say that the best investment that you can make is in yourself. Focus on learning as much as you can at this stage. Watch all my videos till the end, and you can buy books or whatever. Just like absorb everything you can to know about trading. Like this video if this video was helpful, and if you want more videos just like this where I just talk to the camera and teach you how to become profitable, you can check out this video right here, which I teach you how to never lose money in Forex trading. And smash on that subscribe button and welcome to the tribe, and remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.